I'm just going to tell you about my new hair. Here's my system at the moment. Just been to the gym. Ordered a new one about 8 weeks ago from Lordhair, and ordered a custom one. I've not ordered a custom one before, it's the first time. And they're really good. The girl I was speaking to was really sort of asking lots of questions, and I had to send over my measurements and stuff. But the system came through today. I'm getting it put on this afternoon. Here it is. It's slightly darker, God, it's loads darker than my current hair. And where it's been quite sunny the last few weeks, the sun has made it go a lot blonder. And I'm getting it put on at 3:30, and I'll let you know how I get on. Okay, so here it is. Oh, it's so good. God, I love it. Absolutely love it. See the line as well there. So it's really good. It's really thick. There's no like, it's really quite a good make. Slightly darker on the sides, but the sun and that will change it and everything. And yeah, at the moment, really impressed. So thank you, Lord Hair, not God, but thank you, God, as well.
Lordhair, for a better you.